Bloopers, I am a wolf, not a fox. I'm also part gem, but I didn't put the gem there. Oh, oops, I almost forgot my mark. Just just literally me as a gem. I don't know why the eyes are like that. Oh, and by the way, this is for Nintendo. Yes, I was cheating for this one. Forgive me, I have sinned. Okay, where is it now? I need a thumbnail. People would think it's a thumbnail, but it's not. I'll have to stay like this for the past few minutes. Wait, let me go to my gallery. Oh frick, why can't I pause this? Keep forgetting that this is not an actual. Keep tapping. Why won't you, No, I was just using it as a reference picture. UwU, and I will stay like this for the rest of my life. I will remain this thing. Like, oh, let's go play some sports by myself, and this will stay the same. The audio is very bad because I don't have a microphone.